Welcome, little gardeners. What a beautiful sunny day. The garden is waiting for us, full of wonderful things to see and do. Look at all the bright flowers and the happy butterflies fluttering by. It's the perfect day to play in the dirt and help things grow. Before we begin, let's say hello to everything around us. Can you wave hello to the big bright sun?
Hello, sun. Hello, sky.
Now, let's say a big hello to our beautiful garden.
Hello, garden. Hi, hi, hi.
Gardening is so much fun. But first, we need to get ready and be safe. What do we need to wear to protect ourselves from the sun?
That's right. We need our hats to keep the sun off our faces. And what about our hands? We wear special garden gloves to keep them clean and safe. Let's put them on.
We can help. We can try, little hands and grown-up guide.
That's the spirit. When we work together with our grown-ups, we make a great team.
Teamwork time. 1, 2, 3. Safe and happy, you and me.
Now that we're ready, let's do a little garden dance to warm up. Can you tap your feet like this?
Garden dance, tap your feet. Caring makes our plants complete.
Wonderful. We're all set. We're going to learn how to plant something special today. Are you ready to get your hands a little dirty and have some fun? Let's sing our growing song together.
Sing along, nice and slow. Ready, friends? It's time to grow.
These are kid-safe tools we can use.
Gloves first, snug and comfy.
A small shovel for little scoops. A tiny watering can for careful pours.
2 hands helps us carry safely.
Hats and sunscreen help protect us outside.
Stay close to me and we'll work together.
We use safe tools with Mommy and Daddy.
Are you ready to plant our seeds? First, let's dig a small hole for them. We'll use our trowels to make gentle scoops in the soft, warm earth. See how the soil is dark and crumbly? That's just what our seeds love.
Little scoops in the dirt make the perfect planting spots. Each hole is like a tiny cozy bed, waiting for a seed to rest inside. Can you help make a little bed for our seed?
Look closely at these tiny seeds. They're so small, but they hold a big secret. With our care and a little help from the sun and water, they will grow into beautiful, strong plants. Let's be very gentle with them.
Every little seed is a promise of a flower or a yummy vegetable. It's like magic waiting to happen.
Okay, let's place 1 seed in the hole. Drop it in, soft and slow. Perfect. You're doing such a wonderful job.
1 little seed goes into its earthy bed. Now it's ready for a cozy blanket of soil.
Now let's cover the seed with a little soil, just like tucking it into bed for a nap. And then we give it a gentle pat, pat, pat. Nice and gentle so we don't wake it up.
A little soil on top keeps the seed safe and warm. A gentle pat tells the seed it's home. Great job. The seed is all tucked in and ready to grow. We dug a hole, planted a seed, covered it up, and gave it a pat. You're a fantastic gardener.
Tip just a little, slow and steady.
Water helps plants grow.
We stay on the path to keep plants safe.
Water near the roots, like a drink. Look, the plants are happy.
Ask for help when it's heavy.
We share and take turns, so calm and careful.
Nice pouring, you're helping.
Water helps plants grow. Now that our seeds are planted, let's explore the garden. There's so much to see. Let's look closely at the leaves. Every leaf is different. Some are big and round, and some are long and pointy. Can you see the little lines on them? Those are like tiny roads that carry water to help the leaf grow strong.
Look, a little friend. It's a ladybug. We watch bugs kindly and let them be. They are very busy and have important jobs in the garden. We use our gentle hands and quiet voices so we don't scare them. Hello, little bug.
And listen. Bzzz. Do you hear that? It's the bees. Bees are wonderful helpers. They visit the flowers for a sweet drink and carry dusty pollen from one flower to the next. This helps new flowers and fruits grow. We give them space to do their work.
Let's count the petals on this flower. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals. Great counting. Counting is fun in the garden.
After a busy day of learning and playing, it's time to clean up. We tidy the garden together, putting all our tools away so they are ready for next time.
When something is heavy, we can carry it together. That's called teamwork. Helping each other makes every job easier and more fun.
Our garden will keep growing. Plants need the bright sun for energy, gentle water to drink, and healthy soil to live in. And most of all, They need our care.
We did a great job today. We care for our plants and for each other. We share our tools and use kind words. High five.
Every day is a new adventure. Watching our garden grow shows us how important it is to help and be patient. Learning is so much fun when we do it together. By taking care of our little green space, we learn big lessons. Gardening teaches us to care for the earth and to share with everyone around us. Look at the beautiful garden we made.
We did it, together.
High fives for great helpers.
Garden friends, hooray, hooray!
Great job helping in the garden. See you next time, garden friends.